Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert images in Google Slides. This tutorial will be very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, you're a beginner or even a first timer, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and dropping a like. Now, before starting with anything else, I want you to make sure that the browser you are using, either you are using in Mac OS or in Windows like me, is completely up to date, and this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way. Now, if you are interested in watching other tutorials, are there any specific functions or features that you would like to learn, we actually have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google software tutorials on our YouTube channel. We also have a how-to beginner's guide of other Google softwares including Google Slides, Google Sheets, and more in our YouTube channel, in which I will demonstrate to you all of the basic features and functions of these mentioned softwares, as well as where they are actually used for. Now let us get started into inserting an image in Google Slides. As you can see, I'm currently in a Google Slides file, and I would like to insert an image right over here. And all I have to do is to head over to the upper panel of our screen, in which we can see the different tabs that we can choose from. All you have to do is click on Insert. As you hover your mouse on image, as you can see, we got different options. Now, click on whichever is applicable, but for me, I would like to upload from computer, as the file is currently saved into a directory inside my computer. Click on it once, and now choose the picture that you would like to add on your computer, locate it wherever it is located, and then click on Open. And now as you can see, I have here my image. I can resize it as much as I want, and I can even add it right over here in the shape that we have created. As simple as that, we can add multiple images on our Google Slides. And if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.